Hiding share account. Keep your share account private, focusing more on your content than numbers. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to hide share account on Instagram Reels. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Instagram from your home screen. Go to your profile at the bottom right and select the reel you want to edit. Tap the three dot icon. You will find this at the bottom right of the reel. Select Manage from the menu that appears. Tap Hide Share Account to hide your share account from others. And just like that, your Reel share account is hidden on Instagram Reels. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.